In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send SMS messages forever while iMessage is offline. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where iMessage is just not cooperating, maybe due to poor internet connectivity or an Apple server going awry, and you're frustrated because your messages are stuck, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through how you can set your iPhone up to automatically revert to SMS and how to manually do it when it doesn't. To begin, iPhones are designed with a pretty neat feature. When iMessage is unavailable, they can automatically fall back to regular SMS. However, there may be times when this doesn't happen as it should. Knowing how to force your device to send that message manually can be a lifesaver. First, let's make sure your phone is set up correctly. You'll need to navigate to Messages. To do this, open your Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps, and then look for Messages. This is where you'll manage how your texts are sent. Once you're in the Messages settings, you want to ensure that the Send as Text Message option is enabled. This feature tells your phone to send the message as SMS when iMessage isn't available. This is a crucial setting, so double check to make sure it's turned on. Now, what happens if your message attempts to send as an iMessage, which appears as a blue bubble but it's just not going through? Don't worry. There's a great workaround for this. If you find that your message is stuck as a blue bubble indicating that it's trying and failing to send via iMessage, you can step in and give it a nudge. What you need to do next is tap and hold the message that's stuck. This action will bring up a menu. From here you should see the option to send as text message. Go ahead and tap that. This will convert your message into a green bubble, meaning it's now being sent as a regular SMS, which should go through without requiring a solid internet connection. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure your messages continuously send, even when iMessage experiences downtime. Remember, the key is to have the send as text message setting enabled, and to know how to manually force an SMS when needed. It's a simple trick, but one that can make your life a whole lot easier in those connectivity challenged moments. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps to keep your communication flowing effortlessly.